Have you been struggling to make money online lately? If so, then this is the perfect video for you. Today, I will show you a strategy that is perfect for beginners and has the potential to literally make you thousands of dollars no matter where you're coming from. So keep watching to find out how. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so the very first thing I want to show you today, guys, is an example of someone doing what you will want to do yourself and making a ton of money. This channel is called Soothing Relaxation, and as the name suggests, is uploading relaxing music videos. And whoever owns this channel is making literally insane amounts of money here on YouTube. And here's the truly amazing part. These videos are not complex videos. They contain no intros or outros, no fancy effects of any sort, but they are insanely popular. Why? Well, simply put, a lot of people love these relaxation type videos, and all of these videos essentially consist of relaxing music in the background and images or clips, and that's literally it. Here's one video I opened up to use as an example, and as you can see, it's just royalty-free video and images combined with the music. You will also notice that all of these music videos are very long, and this is a genius move actually, because the longer the video, the higher the watch time and the more ads you can put in said video, which substantially increases the amount of money generated per 1,000 views. And since these are just music videos, most people don't really watch them. They just leave them on in the background while they're trying to sleep, relaxing, or whatever. That in turn means that the majority of people do stay around for quite some time listening to the music, adding to the watch time and increasing the money that this person makes. Making longer videos also has another added benefit. You don't need to upload them very often, and they will get more views individually as well. As you can see, this person uploaded like 3 videos in the past month, 2 videos in the month before that, and so on. The videos got hundreds of thousands of views at least, and millions at most. So as you can see, guys, making these types of music videos has a huge number of benefits. They're easy to make, first of all, and you don't need software like Sony Vegas to create them. Secondly, it's very easy to find both the music and images and/or clips online to use for your videos, as I will show you soon enough. And lastly, of course, they're very popular, which means you can make a lot of money making them even as a complete beginner. Not only will I show you how you can create these videos, but since you won't be able to make any money from ad revenue in the beginning, I will also show you how you can get paid without the ad revenue whatsoever. So stay tuned. Now, with that said, if you come over to socialblade.com, you will be able to see the estimates of how much money the owner of that said channel is making. And as you can see, it's between $20,000 and $300,000. Now, most of the time, the amount of money made is in between these two estimates, which would be around $150,000 or so. But since the videos are long, as I said, I can guarantee you that this channel is most likely making up to $20,000 actually, if not even more. And this is by literally uploading 2 to 3 videos a month. It's just insane how little work is required to earn that much cash. Furthermore, this is far from the only channel out there. There are many channels similar to this one on YouTube, and that is because, as I said, these types of relaxing music videos are very popular. But how can you create them in the first place? Well, let me show you. Let's start with the images and clips, 2 platforms where you can obtain them, one of which I mentioned in some of my previous videos are unsplash.com and pexels.com. Now, something of note is that on Pexels, you can find both images and clips, while on Unsplash, it's just images. But in any case, this is where you can find royalty-free photos and videos that you can use without facing copyright strikes, and without having to pay for them. And so, what you want to search on these platforms is stuff that you think would be good for relaxation music videos. You can check out what this person uses and get some inspiration from there. But basically, you want to search for keywords like nature, landscape, beach, and so on. As you can see, I searched for nature on Pexels here, and all I need to do in order to download a photo is just click on it, and then on free download in the upper right-hand corner. To download a photo on Unsplash is just as simple. Just hover your mouse over it and then click on this arrow right here. Now, if you want to download videos on Pexels, and I do recommend you download a few of them and combine them with the photos, all you need to do is click on Videos here, and this site will now just display videos for you, which you can then download in the same fashion as the images. Now, as far as music is concerned, by far the best place to find it is YouTube itself, or more accurately, the YouTube audio library. To access it, you want to go to your YouTube studio and then scroll down and select the audio library below. Now, there are several reasons you want to use the audio library. First off, it contains thousands upon thousands of songs, and you're also free to use them and get monetized in the process. Furthermore, thanks to the library's filter option, you can click on Mood here and select Calm, and this will now show you perfect songs for relaxation music videos that you are creating. Apart from that, you can also filter by genre and duration as well, both of which will allow you to find the best songs for your music videos, which you can preview by clicking on the play button here, and which you can download by clicking on the download button right over here. And basically, what you want to do is just try to find the best songs you can. And you'd want around 20 of them at least, since we're creating long videos after all. And once you download a sufficient number of them, it's now time for me to show you where you will combine the audio and video into a compilation, so you have video to upload. For that purpose, I have two options: a completely free software called OpenShot, or a cloud-based video editor called Clideo.com. Now, if you don't want to bother downloading and uploading OpenShot, even though I would recommend it, you can just use Clideo here instead. To create a compilation, simply click on Video Maker here, then open up all of the images and/or clips. Once you do so, you will be brought over to the editor. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do with the photos is click right here and select Zoom and Crop, as that will make them look much better. The next thing you want to do is select the image duration at 2 seconds. This is so you don't have to add an infinite number of images into your hours-long video. You will also want to add in a few clips if you have downloaded them to mix things up as well. Lastly, click on Add Audio right here to add the music. And once you are satisfied with your video, just click on Export to download it to your PC, and so you can upload it to YouTube. With that done, now that you have your video uploaded, as I said, I will show you how to get paid without being monetized in the beginning. And the way you will want to do that, guys, is through affiliate marketing. This is a very effective way to get paid. You just leave the affiliate link in the description, and thousands of people will be able to see it. And you just need an insanely small percentage to actually buy something for you to make a nice profit. Now, there are a bunch of things you can promote as an affiliate, and from many different platforms, but I would personally recommend Amazon in this case. And so what you want to do is search on Google for Amazon Affiliate Program, and then open up this page here. You will then want to sign up to Amazon's affiliate program by clicking on Sign Up right here. And you will then be able to grab affiliate links to a variety of different products. And whenever someone you referred to Amazon buys the product, you will earn 10% commissions, as you can see. In this fashion, guys, you'll be able to earn a very decent amount of money before getting monetized. And when you do get monetized, you will be earning even more money, and it will all be easier from there. What's crucial in the beginning is that you stay persistent and don't give up. It may take some time, but the niche in which you're making videos is huge and insanely popular, as you've seen. And as such, it is certain that you can expect some decent numbers after some time. Now, with that said, this is actually it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.